Okay, see this question. It's a very good question. In fact, for an infinite line of charge having charge density lambda lying along x-axis, this is the infinite line of charge. Okay, the work required in moving charge q from C to A along an arc CA is, so charge q is kept over here. It's moved along this path. So we have to find the work required to move this charge from C to A. So let's draw the charge over here. Okay, I'm drawing it slightly displaced from point C. So this the line of charge will create a force. Let's do something. Draw it at random point. So this is my charge over here. Okay. So line of charge will be creating a force on this charge. The force will be equal to Q times E, where E due to a line of charge is given by 2k lambda by R. Okay. In this case, I'll write down it as 2k lambda by Y, where Y is the distance of the point charge from the line at the moment of time. Okay, so I should apply a force in opposite direction F, and F should be equal to QE. So if I apply the force opposite to charge, I can move the charge. Okay, so there is no force along x-axis, there's only force along y-axis, correct? But the charge is having motion along x-axis and y-axis, both of them. Okay, so now let's see. So work done by the force F will be what? Integration fx dx plus integration fy dy. So since there is no force along x-axis, this will be 0. So I can simply write down wf is equals to integration fy dy. Okay, and what is fy equal to? My force is acting in negative y direction, so I could write down over here integration minus qe dy. So this will be minus QE will be taken outside, and integration E will be, E is what? 2k lambda by Y. So 2k lambda by Y dy. What are the limits of integration? I started my Y from 2a and ended at a. So my limits of integration will be from 2a to a. So work done will be equal to minus 2kq lambda. Integration of dy by y will give you natural logarithm of y from 2a to a. So this is minus 2kq lambda times ln a by 2a. So ln a by 2a will be ln 1 by 2, but due to minus sign I will get ln 2. So this will be 2 log 2 q lambda, and k is what? 4 pi epsilon naught. So the net work done will be q lambda log 2 divided by 2 pi epsilon naught. This is the answer.